Hello students, welcome to SMS Digital Education. I am your English ma'am. Today I am going to discuss about Olympiad exam. What is an Olympiad exam? An Olympiad exam is a competitive exam conducted in school, national or international level. What are the subjects of Olympiad? English, mathematics, general knowledge and science. These are the subjects of Olympiad exam. Okay. And who are the conducting bodies of Olympiad? SOF, Science Olympiad Foundation, conduct IMO, International Mathematics Olympiad, IEO, International English Olympiad, NSO, National Science Olympiad. Okay. Another one is Silver Zone. It is a non-governmental organization. Okay. Moving to the question paper, there will be 3 sections in your question paper. Section number 1. There will be subjective questions related to your subject. Okay. Section number 2, logical reasoning will be there. Section number 3, high order thinking section. Basically, section number 3 contains questions related to your section number 1, like subjective questions. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss about 10 important one-word substitutions that are commonly asked in your Olympiad exams. Okay. So the first one, write down in your paper. The first one, a person who loves mankind is called philanthropist. A person who loves mankind is called philanthropist. Okay. Number 2, a person who knows many languages. A person who knows many languages is called polyglot. Number 3, a person who hates mankind. A person who hates mankind is called misanthrope. Number 4, a person who looks at the bright side of things is called optimist. A person who looks at the bright side of things is called optimist. Number 5, a person who is present everywhere. A person who is present everywhere is called omnipresent. A person who hates knowledge. A person who hates knowledge is called misologist. Number 7, a person who looks at the dark side of life is called pessimist. A person who looks at the dark side of life is called pessimist. Pessimist is basically the antonym of optimist. Okay. Number 8, one who is bad in spelling is called cacographist. One who is bad in spellings is called cacographist. Number 9, a speech or act done without any preparation is called extempore. Okay, a speech or act done without any preparation is called extempore. Number 10, a person who does not believe in existence of God. A person who does not believe in existence of God is called atheist. Okay, if you want to know more information, then follow our channel.